In this video, we will learn the absolute first and most critical things you need to do to secure your AWS account right now. When you step into the cloud, security becomes a shared responsibility. While AWS protects the cloud, you are responsible for security in the cloud, and mistakes can be costly. We'll guide you through 3 critical actions you can take right now. These steps will immediately boost your account's defense against common threats. Every AWS account starts with a root user. Think of it as the master key to your entire AWS kingdom, possessing ultimate power over everything. This incredible power means the root user is a prime target for attackers. Using it for everyday tasks dramatically increases your risk if its credentials are compromised. Your first line of defense is a strong, unique password for your root user. It should be long, complex, and never reused from other services. Even better, enable multi-factor authentication, MFA. This adds an extra layer of security, requiring a code from your phone in addition to your password. Instead of the root user, you'll create a new, dedicated IAM user, specifically for your daily administrative tasks. This user won't have the master key power of root. First, log in with your root account to the AWS Management Console. Navigate to the IAM service and click Users, then Add Users to begin the process. When creating your IAM admin user, attach the Administrator Access Policy. This grants them the necessary permissions to manage most AWS resources without being the root user. Always remember to set a strong password and enable MFA for your new IAM administrative user as well. From now on, use this user for your daily work. As you grow, understand the principle of least privilege. This means giving users only the permissions they absolutely need to perform their specific job, nothing more. Applying least privilege minimizes the potential damage if a user account is ever compromised. It's a fundamental concept for strong cloud security. You've learned to secure your root user with a strong password and MFA. You've created a dedicated IAM administrative user for daily tasks, and you understand the critical least privilege principle. You've built a strong security foundation. Continue exploring AWS security services and always practice these principles to keep your cloud environment safe and secure.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.